In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Outlook. We'll walk through both the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then the classic Outlook desktop app, so you can get your messages back no matter which version you are using. Let's start with the new Outlook, or Outlook on the web. Open Outlook and head to the Deleted Items folder in your folder list on the left. This is different from junk email. Deleted items is where messages go after you remove them from your inbox. At the top of the message list, look for the link that says Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Click that. You'll see a recovery panel with emails and other items that were recently deleted. Even if you emptied deleted items, browse the list and select the items you want to bring back. You can click individual messages or select multiple ones if you need to restore several at once. On the right side, you'll see options. Click Restore. Outlook will place those items back where they originally lived when possible, which helps you pick up right where you left off. A quick tip here, items in this recovery area are only available for a limited time, which is set by your mailbox or organization. If you don't see a message you are expecting, it may be past the retention window or permanently removed. Now, if you are using the classic Outlook desktop app, the process looks a little different. Open Outlook and go to the Folder tab on the top ribbon. Click Recover Deleted Items from Server. This opens a window listing items you can recover from the server's hidden recovery folder. Select the messages you want to restore again. You can choose one or many. Make sure Restore Selected Items is checked. Then click OK. In the classic desktop app, recovered messages typically go back to your Deleted Items folder first. From there, you can drag them into your inbox or any other folder, which gives you a moment to confirm you've retrieved the right items before moving them back into your workflow. To wrap up, remember, use deleted items first. Then the recovery option if the folder was emptied. In the new Outlook and on the web, click the Recover Items Deleted from this folder link and then Restore on the right side. In classic Outlook, use Folder on the ribbon. Choose Recovered Deleted Items from Server. Select what you need and confirm with Restore Selected Items. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.